How to sell plots or piece of land in real estate industry. Yes, dear friends, you heard it right. This video is all about how you can learn an art of selling the plots or piece of land in your city, in your state or in your country. So this video is very important. We'll tell you 5 practical steps which will help you to increase your business, to grow your business and to increase your brand name with increased profit. So watch this video till the end so you will know the step-by-step practical process to close the deals or to sell the plots or piece of land in the real estate industry. This video is very important for builders, developers, marketing agency owner, agents, investors, buyers, sellers, everyone, because plots are very important related with the investment in the real estate or related with making homes. Now, whatever content we were bringing for you is based on a pure research what we have done. The 15 years of practical work I have done in the real estate industry, plus 6 years of research for my PhD, where we have conducted research on 2000 plus real estate customers, 200 employees and 50 plus real estate CEOs. Plus, for last 2 years, we have done a research on more than 50 CEOs across Asia for our book Real Estate Game Changers. So by combining all this, we have designed the content which is very helpful, practical, simple and easy to implement. That's why we want you to watch this video till the end. So first and the most important practical step, if you really want to sell a plot or a piece of land in real estate industry, is know your client. Yes, you heard it right. If you are working in the real estate as an agent or even as a developer or even as an investor and you want to sell your plot, first understand your client. What is his exact requirement? The moment you get a lead from anywhere, offline way, online way or anywhere, and you got the information, then meet with the client and understand his needs, understand his desires, that why he want to buy a plot, what is the purpose, is he facing any problem or is he want to satisfy any future goal by buying this plot. So understanding your client is the most important step if you really want to sell a plot or a piece of land to your client. Understanding each and every aspect about him. Develop contact, develop relations. The moment you get connected with your client, and it is only possible when you understand his exact requirement. I'm just requesting you one thing. If you have not subscribed our channel, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that we don't want you to miss even a single video on our channel. When you understand about his past positions, when you understand about his behavior and everything. So by asking proper questions during the site visit or when you were with your client or when you are meeting with your client, you can get the answers and you can understand him properly. So knowing the client is the first and the most important step if you really want to sell a property to him or her. Second, identify the budget. So when you are understanding your client or when you know each and everything about your client, then the second and the most important thing what you have to do before proposing him the property is knowing his exact budget, that in which budget he is looking for a property. If suppose your client is looking for a property between the budget of 20 lakh to 50 lakh, you cannot propose him, or it is impossible to propose or sell him a property worth 2 crores, which is next to impossible thing because his budget is 20 to 30 lakh or 30 to 40 lakh. Now that's why you have to understand the exact budget of your client before selling him something. So the moment you understand the client's budget, then you can propose the exact property based on his requirement. Step number 3 is do proper site visit. Now, if suppose you have 10 options which is matching with your client's requirement, with your client's budget, then out of 10, try to match 3 to 4 properties which were exactly suiting with his requirement, his desires, his goals. That is he looking for a property or a plot for making a home. So he's looking for a place from where he will have airport, railway station, school, medical facilities, everything at a closer place. So they propose a property which is covering all these aspects. The moment you understand your client in a better way, then and only then you can propose a right property at a right time. So do proper site visit. So if you have a complete knowledge about your product, and if you can give that knowledge to your client during site visit, then the possibility of closing the deal at the end increases. Step number 4, create awareness about the surrounding in the project. Now, most of the people in today's world prefer to buy a plot at a place where a very good environment or surrounding exists. Now, you have to study the entire surrounding and the environment and the upcoming projects in that area where you want to propose a property to your client. If he's an investor and if he want a good ROI, return on investment, then he search for a property which can give him a good return in the future, which is only possible if there is a proposed development around that project. So if you have studied all this in a proper way, and if you can propose or if you can tell all this to your client in a proper and systematic way, then and only then his interest increases, then and only then the probability of the closing will increase. Step number 5, do proper follow-up and closing. The moment you are finished with the site visit, at the same time only or after the site visit or in few days or in next 48 hours, take a proper follow-up. The probability of closing increases if in the next 48 hours you take a proper follow-up and you try to close the deal. So if you really want to close the client, if you want to take money out from the pocket of your client, then you have to take a proper follow-up and you have to give emphasis to proper closing. Now, learning the art of a site visit and closing is also a very important part as far as a life of an agent or selling a plot or a piece of land is considered. So the moment you follow all these 5 steps, step by steps, and if you do this regularly, consistently, and you do practice, it becomes very easy for you to close the deals in real estate industry. Now, if you have liked our content, do hit the like button. If you feel that this video is very important, then you can share the video on WhatsApp, on Telegram, or on other social media platforms. And if you want us to make videos on some other real estate topics, you can tell us in the comment section. Thank you so much for subscribing our channel, for liking our videos, and thank you so much for your support. We'll meet in the next video.